Good afternoon, everyone, for being on Joe Venant Group LLC, JVG, Éducation Personnelle, this Sunday. What is today's date?
Oh, today's date is May 25th. Yes.
2025.
Yes.
It's a great pleasure for me and my killer to be with you this afternoon for our live show. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can call 561-667-3118. For my fellow Haitian people, zami Haitien yo, son plaisir pour moi-même avec Kila, jodi an, présente au show ça. Côté que vous capable toujours participer au carré 561 667 31 18. Non, moi c'est Joseph Herode Venant pour les comptes de Joe Venant Group LLC. Joseph Herode Venant pour le compte de Joe Venant Group LLC qui est localisé dans 2101 VISTA PKWY, West Palm Beach, Florida, 33411. What do we have today for them?
Okay, so today we are going to discuss what is a legal protection plan versus hiring an attorney. So what's the difference between the two of those?
Okay. Guys, the title is pretty clear and very interesting too, because everyone knows whenever you face a legal issue, you need to hire an attorney or a lawyer, right? Mm-hmm. That's common. It has been there forever. Yeah. However, right now, you got another opportunity where you can have all-in-one. Why we say all-in-one?
Well, there's so many different services that are offered with this protection plan. So you can have the protection you need. You have your attorney that you need whenever there's any problem that may arise. So everything in one.
D'accord, merci, zami moyo, pour zami moyo. Ça veut dire, oui, ou toujours besoin attorney, ou besoin avocat. Ça nous relève dans bon créole, dans bon français, avocat. Certainement, si vous rencontrez un problème légal, ou besoin avocat pour défendre, ou bien ou besoin assis in what you call sue a company, you don't know all the law. They have big money. If you don't have a lawyer, even though you were right, they will find a way to turn the case even not only down, they can turn it down, or even turn your own case against you, because they know the law. That's the reason why it's always good, either you commit a crime or an offense quelconque, or you're a victim from someone. On either way, you still need a lawyer or an attorney, right?
Yeah.
C'est ça nous dit. Ça veut dire que en peu le monde, c'est toi haïtien toujours moi-même pas parler dans bagay monde, faire respect moi parler dans moi-même pas de problème pour pas parler devant le tribunal. Going in front of the judge or the court is not a choice that you make. It's not a choice. C'est pas au choisi. Leaving you automatiquement. For instance, you're driving, right? Mm-hmm. You never know when you can get a ticket.
Yeah, it can happen anytime.
Anytime.
You just never know. You have to be prepared.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's very common.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes, that's happened all the time. You might be working somewhere. People don't like you. Mm-hmm. They say whatever. They put even charge criminal on the street, what's called identity theft. They can add anything on your record while you don't even know about it. Mm-hmm. Ou doit chita là, ou pas faire rien, c'est gado un bill 10 000, 15 000, 20 000 dollars, vin journée, ou t'as d'autres acheter bagay. Ou t'as d'autres acheter bagay online, ou t'as d'autres fait 10 ou t'es fait date, alors qu'on pas qu'on a rien dans bagay comme ça. Ça qui est plus grave, there are some people, they even buy houses on their name. On different state, on some state where they don't even know about those states. But believe it or not, either you did it or not, you still held liable for it if you don't take the proper action. Ça veut dire, quel que soit mon atalati bagay sou non, c'est ça fait la part de l'identity theft, ça veut dire mon a volé identité mon a doit être supervisé dans le travail ou bien il était rempli bagay ou si tu vas passer online, les comptes date de naissance ou les comptes numéro carte si tu vas avec online, il prend les faire n'importe transaction. Et m'a garanti depuis le fin faire il a chala sous dos ou non. C'est ça fait que l'important is very important. Same way you need life insurance, you need health insurance, you also need a legal protection plan. Legal protection plan it's not new, but for majority of one of our community, they're not familiar. For instance, a lot of people can say, hey, I hear about LegalShield.
Yeah. What is that? What is LegalShield? What do they offer?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Same thing you know about, I know about Progressive. I know about this company. Yeah. It's not about the name of the company. It's about the features.
Yeah.
What coverage you get from that company to make sure you got the proper coverage. That's the reason why you need to call 561-667-3118. Really, Venant Group LLC dans 561-667-3118 pour gagner un bon legal protection plan.
Okay. If you're just joining us, I know some of you are just joining us, so just as a reminder, what we're talking about today is what is a legal protection plan versus having to hire a lawyer once you get into trouble. So that's what we're talking about today. So if you're just joining our live, this is what we're talking about. The difference between the two. You must know the different services that you get when you have a legal protection plan. Okay? So you're going to call 561-667-3118.
Thank you.
Yes.
For instance, we can list some features. For instance, let's say you're at work, lot of workplace provide LegalShield service. Yes, I got LegalShield. What feature do you have?
Yeah.
What coverage do you have?
Yeah.
That's happened on the insurance industry in general. Ça passe dans toute compagnie d'assurance. People don't know what they have in their coverage.
Yeah.
And then they wait until something happens. When they call the company, I'm sorry.
We don't cover that. Sorry, we don't cover that. No. Your plan doesn't cover this.
Exactly. Because you don't have the proper plan. You don't have the proper feature, protection.
Yeah.
Don't wait until something happens, until an event happens in your life by only, I got LegalShield or I have insurance, to find out you don't have the proper coverage.
Yeah.
Therefore, you need to call 561-667-3118. We are very good professional. We are very honest, and we well knowledgeable on what we're doing. Therefore, you need to call the right professional who's going to provide you the right service for your money. Don't ask, no, I don't have money. Somebody paid, let's say, $50 for his plan or her plan. Why mine is $100? Or why mine is $80? Like, for instance, I have my godson who's a truck driver. When I add the full coverage for him, include himself, his wife, all 3 children, including it's optional. That's what I was saying. Because he's a truck driver, he add what we call truck driver protection plan. You see the difference? If you're not a truck driver, you don't need that coverage.
No.
That's the reason why your plane will be cheaper than his.
Yeah.
However, even though you're not a truck driver, you might have what you might possess a gun in your house. Now, if you add protection for your gun, that will make the plane a little higher. You see the difference?
Yeah.
If you don't have a gun, you do Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, all
Ride
those
sharing.
ride sharing in general.
Yep.
There's a specific coverage for those people. They don't want to give you unnecessary coverage.
Yeah.
That's why those features, they are separate from whom they are necessary.
So they customize it for your needs. So based on your needs, you get to have a custom plan.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's applied for all insurance companies. Therefore, it's always important to call the professional to ask them, tell them exactly what your life is, what you want to cover. That, like myself, when people call me for service, I make sure I ask you, do you do Uber? You do Lyft? No. Are you a truck driver? No. Do you possess a gun? No. If yes, okay, there's coverage for your gun. What you can add for them?
Yeah, you can add the coverage for the gun. If you do the ride share service, the Uber, the Lyft, DoorDash, you can get coverage for that. What else do we have?
We have trail defense time.
When you go to the trial?
Yes.
With the defense. Yep, the extra defense trial with the lawyer. If you need extra time from the attorney, we have that a part of the plan as well. You get coverage for that.
Yes, because all the plans, they give you a limited time based on the plan you have.
Yeah.
However, think about that. If you get sued, you sue.
Yeah.
C'est au même qui peut aller devant tribunal, you probably need a lot of time.
Yeah.
And when your coverage run out of time, you will have to pay out of your pocket.
Yeah.
Therefore, like myself, I have extra, it's what you call trail defense supplement.
Yeah.
Okay? Those are optional.
Yeah. And that comes in handy if you, like you said, if you can't account for how much time the attorney is going to need. So if your case takes more time, if you have that part of your plan, then you're covered. Better safe than sorry.
Certainly.
Yeah.
We know, for instance, in Florida, since we are on May 25th, 2025, the average cost of an attorney in Florida is $400 an hour. I say average. Some lawyer could charge you even more based on the case.
Yeah.
Some lawyer, probably if they just know the industry is not very something too hard, they might give you a discount $350.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure they're not going under $300.
Yeah.
Think about that. Not a day. An hour.
Every hour.
It's different state. You never know which state you will get in trouble.
Yeah.
For instance, New York. Lawyer's time is even over $1,000 an hour.
Ooh.
Yes. I have case like that.
Wow.
I have a case with David Castleman. We pay him over $500,000 a month. $500,000 a month.
Wow.
Doing nothing, just to hold a bunch of money to us. Think about, you see?
Yeah.
Attorneys
are expensive.
Okay, in New York. Do you think my friend, my fellow friend, the cost of attorney is not easy. It's not cheap.
No.
And you never know when you're going to face
a hardship, anything where you need that attorney or you need that help, that support. You never know.
Guess what? You will always need an attorney. You will always. Because let me tell you something. You must, okay, I'm going to buy whatever you're doing in life in general. There is a certain law behind it. Quel que soit ça wap fait dans la vie, li gen loi qui régit la donne. Can I give you a funny story? Don't be surprised. I had a friend, someone I met when I was taking my insurance class. I didn't even know. After we met, she told me, okay, I'm a trooper.
Oh, state trooper.
No, not state trooper. I'm going about girl trooper.
Oh,
in the club.
Oh, stripper, dancer.
Yes,
oh,
it's a dancer at the club.
Oh, wow.
Think about it.
Yeah.
Because those girls, they dance naked.
Yeah.
Don't
say that word.
Well, it's just a story.
Yeah.
You just say the truth. You will say, oh no, because they dance on the club, you can do whatever you want to them. They come, if you go to club, they even sit down, do whatever. They can do it, but you can do it.
Yeah.
If you touch them inappropriately, you will get sued.
Oh, yeah.
Or get kicked from the club.
Yeah.
That's the reason why you will say, the funny thing, when I was working at the VA, the homeless who on the street.
Yeah.
Even at the park, you say, because they don't have a place to live, they are homeless, you can do whatever you want.
No.
Just feed them? No. You will say, okay, I'm going to I'm a good Samaritan.
Yeah.
I'm going to feed the homeless.
Yeah.
Guess what? You can get in big trouble just by feeding a homeless on the street.
How? That doesn't make sense.
You see how funny the law is?
Yeah.
How I know about that? My church, Jupiter's Tequesta 7-Day Adventist Church in Jupiter Farm, they take the initiative to feed the homeless in the park in West Palm Beach. They have to go through a lot of process, legal process, to get approval in a certain time, and they have to a certain food. Oh yes. You cannot just have any food, leftover food. Oh no. Yeah. So think about how laws are really complicated.
Yeah.
If you don't have a lawyer, that's why yes, you can hire, even though you have legal protection plan, you can decide if you get an accident, you get injured, you can decide to hire a different lawyer. There's no problem with that.
Okay.
They don't stop you because you have legal protection plan, everything you have to go by us. No. You still get your right as a human being to choose whatever you want.
It's America.
Yes. However, you got the legal protection plan for anything happen, for any advice, any so it come up in your mind.
Yeah.
Since you know you got lawyer, they are free.
Yeah.
You just call, hey, this is what I get, whatever.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why it's necessary, important. Same way it's important to have life insurance, to have health insurance. It's necessary to have what we call legal protection plan. Just by calling 561-667-3118. Encore 561-667-3118. 561-667-3118. Or there's a link below. On the description, there's a link. We put the link for you. You can click on that.
Take you directly to your website.
Yes. So is there any more detail you can give them about the link?
Oh, okay. So the link, Joseph Harold Venant at .legalshieldassociate.com. So when you click on that link, it'll take you directly to his website, and you get to see all the different plans that are available. Again, like we said before, you get to customize the plan that you want based on your specific needs, based on what you need for yourself, for your family, and even for your business. You can get that customized, and you'll go through those different options for you to figure out what exactly you need for your protection.
Thank you. See? They don't want to charge you for things you don't even need. That's why you have an opportunity to customize. Ça nous dit en bon créole, ou ka choisi faire plan nan go selon spécifique besoin ou. Comme on dit tout à l'heure, ou doit dire, OK, pas truck driver, ou pas obligé de prendre plan, mettez truck driver. You not sharing, ride share. Driver, ou pas besoin de payer pour lui.
A gun owner, if you're not a gun owner.
Ou pas gen zam, you're not a gun owner, ou pas gen zam la kayou, ou pas obligé à payer un plan pour zam alors qu'on pas gen zam. So, if gen zam, later on, you can still add it.
Yeah.
That's the good part, yeah. Even though you don't take it right now, you can add it anytime soon, later, at any time later. So, the good point, the only thing you need to do, call 561-667-3118. Really? Say it in Creole for them?
I'm going to say it in Creole.
Oh, Creole, yes, say it in Creole.
Yes. Just call the number 561-667-3118. That's my
fast.
Creole.
That's fast.
561-667-3118.
Okay, for whom who speak English, the number is 561 667 31 18. 561 667 31 18. 561 667 31 18. Et pas ça seulement nous fait, mais jodi a nous focus sur ça, sur sacré legal protection plan. Because not too many people are familiar with the detail regarding legal protection plan. They might think, because, oh no, I meet several people tell me, oh no, I already got a lawyer. I say, oh, got a lawyer for what? No, I got in car accident, I got a lawyer. Think about it. Even though you got in a car accident, you got a lawyer, yes, what you call personal injury lawyer. Your personal injury lawyer will not cover for you if you get a ticket.
Yeah, it's different. Or if you get into a lawsuit about something different, if that's not their area of expertise, they can't help you because that's not their area of expertise. So you need a lawyer or a group of lawyers who can represent you for whatever situation that you're in.
Okay, you say something very interesting. Even though, let's say you hire this lawyer, a law firm.
Yeah.
A law firm might got multiple different attorneys.
Yeah.
However, guess what? Even though they have all the different attorneys or lawyers, if you hire this law firm, for instance, for a personal injury case, don't assume if you get the ticket, they will automatically
represent you.
No, they will say no.
Yeah, that's not our area of expertise.
No, it's even though it's area of the expertise, you need to pay separate money because you don't hire them for
that specific thing.
You see the difference between hiring a lawyer?
Yeah.
Even though, yes, you still can have a lawyer, but the lawyer you hire that lawyer for a specific case. That case only and only that case. No matter what happened to you, even though they have lawyer who can cover, they will not do anything for you unless you pay out of pocket.
The money.
However, with legal protection plan, let's say now that happened to me, well, someone sued my company. I got my company, okay, I call them. They send a letter, they represent they find the right lawyer because they have all lawyers on all area of the law. Guess what? If got away, same what I'm giving them the case for my lawsuit for my company, I can also give them a case for anything else. Take an example. For what case? Let's say I got a ticket.
You hit somebody in car.
I hit somebody.
Car accident.
And I was in fault.
Yeah.
Or I destroyed someone's house. Or I have a truck driver, for instance. You got a very terrible accident. You know, truck drivers always, most of the time, terrible. If you have truck driver, how much money they will sue you? They will sue the company. They will go after your asset.
Yeah.
See, when you soon you have truck driver coverage, your big lawyer say, hey, he got big lawyer.
Yep, don't worry. I got this.
I got your back. While you already called them for your business, you got an accident. Even though you're in fault, you destroy people's property, they will represent you. Okay, you see that the difference between having a legal protection plan versus hiring a
lawyer when you get in trouble.
Yes, let's say for instance, you get ticket or someone like you get, if you have what you call identity theft, somebody go online, steal your information, they keep destroy your reputation. Now they will, if you have the proper coverage for that in your legal protection plan or identification protection coverage, we have both. We have legal plan. We will see go on the description. There's legal protection plan. There's identity protection plan. Two different plans. But the company I represent provide both. You can buy both. You can buy legal protection plan with
the identity
protection. So whatever happen, they get your back.
Yeah. So if somebody steals your identity and they mess up your credit, there's a restoration plan where we can help you get that restored, get your identity back, and help you clear your name.
Thank you. And we just give you just a few. You can click on the link. Click on the link, no? Click on the link on the description. You can navigate to see what I'm talking about. It's on the link. Click on the link below and see.
Yeah, the link is josephharoldvenant.legalshieldassociate.com. It's in our description, so click the link.
So don't worry about the name, just click the link. You will say, oh my God,
it's too much.
That's too much to remember. No, don't worry. Just click on the link. The link will do everything for you. Take you straight to my website and you will see everything. Pour nous mêmes haïtiens frères sœurs, nous temps de lire. Oh, let's talk about your people.
My cousins?
No, your Asian people.
Yeah, my cousin, my auntie, my uncle, my grandpa, all my family.
Think about everybody. There's nothing to hide about immigration issue in America right now.
Especially right now.
That's what I say right now.
Right now.
Think about you come in this country, you're not fully legal. You're not fully legal.
You're waiting.
You can get in trouble at any time. You can even face deportation at any time. No, even a ticket can get you in trouble to get deported. That way, you need a legal protection plan. Because even though you hire a immigration attorney, like we said before, the immigration attorney will work only and only on your immigration case.
Yeah.
If while, even though you have a immigration attorney, if you get a ticket, you will say, sorry, it's not, even though they have the lawyer who can represent you, they will not cover it automatically unless you pay.
Yeah.
If you get an accident, they will not do anything for you on that. If someone steals your identity, make debt all over the United States for over $1 million, $1,000. Hey, I got lawyer. I called my. Oh no,
we don't do that. We don't cover that.
It's not. You just hire us for your immigration case.
That's it. That's my only job.
Yes, we have lawyer who can help you, but you need to pay extra money. Oh yes, how come? Oh no, this is America.
Yeah.
You hire an attorney or a lawyer for one specific case. In case you have, in the event you have another issue, I'm sorry, you on your own. However, with your legal protection plan, regardless you got 1 case, 2 case, 10 case, 20 case, they will help you at once.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That sounds good.
How much that coverage should cost?
For all that help,
yeah?
all that coverage, it costs a lot of money, but does it? How much does it cost?
For you guys, since when you call me, for the average people, most people I provide this service, they don't even pay $100 a month. Not for one person, for the person, wife or house partner, life partner. Including children, all of them together. I even, I do it for everybody. I provide the service. I automatically add what you call extra trial defense time. Trial defense time. All included for the entire family, it's not even $100.
Oh wow, that's great. That's a great price for everybody in the household to be included.
Yes.
Oh, that's a great price.
And you have extra on it. And guess what? There's something we don't say. Some plan, they even represent you in front of IRS.
Oh yeah? Yes,
we have plan that's covered for IRS. Yep, IRS, but based on which plan you choose. IRS, no lawyer can stand for the IRS, but our company, based on the plan you choose, they will represent you in front of IRS. Call 561, let's show you, 667-3118. 561-667-3118. So, but while we're talking, I'm going to open some detail. Oh, let me move it to this area. Oh, unfortunately. Okay.
Did it open?
It's open, but he blocked it. Okay.
Oh no, it's not blocking. It's just blocking you from seeing yourself.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Let me do it. So let me give you some idea. For instance, like this plan, I don't want to give price, price can change at any time. That's the reason why I'm not going to give you price. Right now, the price you pay today might change with time. You see, business supplement, trial defense for business, even for business, or like we said, all included. For some people, they have big asset. Based on the plan you have what you call choice.
The choice.
Revocable choice. All those things like the internet is gone.
Yeah.
Or I don't know why the internet.
Uh-oh. Okay, we're still here.
Okay. So, again, when you call, there's no time to give you all the detail. We promise you, we have coverage for every legal law areas.
Yeah.
Just call 561-667-3118. Okay.
Yeah.
So, again, 561-667-3118 or click on the link at the description. Zami Haitien yo qui parle créole, son j'aime dire non. You know what's funny? Some people, when it come for them to take proper action to help themselves, they'll just pray, oh, I don't have money.
Yeah.
They excuse. Guess what? The same person, they don't mind to stop by McDonald's, to stop at the bar, they spend $100 on a day,
Yeah.
unexpectedly.
Yeah.
They don't mind. They don't even think about it. They smoke.
Yeah.
They spend sometimes even more than $100 a week in cigarette.
Ooh.
Yes.
It's a bad habit. Expensive habit.
Expensive.
Yeah.
You burning your money.
Yeah. Literally.
Yeah, you burning money.
Yeah.
When it comes to take proper action, you always ask, you don't have money. While you burning money.
Yeah.
You drink. You don't even think about when you go to the liquor store. Oh, let me grab a bottle of this.
It adds up.
Okay. Add up all those unnecessary expenses who will lead you to heart attack, cancer, all kind of illness. You pay money to kill yourself.
When you put it like that, wow.
Okay, you will spend money to kill yourself. While when it comes to take proper action to protect yourself, you keep complaining, I don't have money.
It's true. It's true. That's how people think. Yeah.
Excuse, whatever you say, they don't have money, but they never sit down to realize how much money they are wasting.
Yeah.
How much money they spend to kill themselves.
Yeah.
How much money they spend, they put fire on it by smoking.
Burn away.
Regardless what you smoke.
Yeah.
Think about that. You going to work. You can, okay, instead of buying lunch at work.
$10 a day.
No.
$15 a day.
At least $15 a day. Take $15 a day, time 5 days a week. 15 but times 5. You're the expert in math.
That is $75?
Okay.
$75.
$15. It's you drink, and even though you buy lunch at work, you have to pay to eat at home. Breakfast, dinner. You go out.
Yeah, more money.
Okay. Those money you never think about them.
Yeah.
When it come to say, oh, how much is it? 100. Oh, I don't have that much bill. I don't have too much bill.
Yeah.
That's why if you need help on what you call personal financial advice, I'm one of the experts as well.
Yeah.
You can see it on me if I say that because I know what I'm talking about. I've already give you some hints where your money are burning, are wasting. When you just what you call discipline yourself a little bit, you will surprise when you say, oh, I need a second job. I need more money. Oh, I don't have help. No. When you find the expert, you will see same money you have that will even make you rich if you
manage it wisely, right?
But you will not do it if you don't have the proper knowledge or training.
Exactly.
That's why you need to call me,
Joseph
Herode Venant, Joseph Herode Venant, 5-661-667-3118 for my follower English speaker, 5-661-667-3118. Claudel, that is Dotin, right? Yeshua John, no, say hi, Senator Junior, hi. Everybody, we appreciate you on the live.
Yes, yes.
So think about it. If you feel you don't have money, I promise you, with the same money you say you're making, you don't need a second job.
Yeah.
I can help you for free to have not only money to get the plane and to have extra. I can do it because I'm a financial expert. Not the conventional financial expert. I'm a personal financial expert because I can tell you, I can teach you how to manage your own finance. This is what school never teach you. My first degree is in economics. I'm a master the accounting. I'm good on finance. Think about that. All they teach you how to work for people to make people's companies, other people's companies grow, to make richer become rich people become richer. Never teach you anything for yourself.
Yeah.
That's the reason why me, as Joseph or Venant, smart guy, say, oh, you know what? Regardless whom you're working for, regardless how much degree you have, you will always end up to be broke because you will just working for others.
Yeah.
While you're wasting money, you don't know how to manage. Mr. Amos, Joseph, I say hi to you. He used to be my business partner at the same place.
Oh,
Thank you, Amos. He's the first one who bring you this business, this office. We were sharing the same office.
Oh, okay, nice.
Amos, I'm grateful to you.
Thank you.
You see, guys, you have to be grateful to whoever helping you in your life, in your life career.
Yeah.
So
just again, if you're just joining the live, we're just talking about the difference between a legal protection plan versus having to hire an attorney when you have an issue. That's what we're talking about now. Thank you for joining the live.
So you want to wrap it up? Give them. Oh, it's almost 5.
Yeah.
Since it's almost 5, we're going to end up this show. If you have any questions, si vous avez n'importe question, ou voulez m'aider, ou pas de chercher de job pour prendre plan, moi-même, Joseph Herode Venant, I can tell you, I'm expert. You will not learn that anywhere at any university in the world to teach you how to manage your own finance.
Yeah.
They will teach you how to manage people's finance, people's business. With your PhD, with your master, with your bachelor's. Only place that teach you how to manage your own business, your own life, your own finance is when you come to the right network, and then they will train you how to manage your own finance, and that way you will be successful. There's no way you will be successful if you're not self-disciplined. Ou pas get discipline pour tête. Là, j'avais dit, oh, I need to go to the bank. Wait, I was saying, on my tax season, I'm going to change my car.
Time to upgrade.
Time to upgrade. Oh, you know what? I got to change my furnitures.
Yeah, it's time to upgrade. I need to change.
Okay, think about that. What those things will bring to you as value? Just expenses. The worst case scenario, sometimes they even take them back credit. Not only they pay whatever they already
plus
pay.
Interest.
They have a bill just for things that will not generate any more money, such as car, furnitures. Instead, come to me. I will teach you how to invest in deed, tax lien, real estate. Actually, I will teach you to be successful. In about 5 years, you will be millionaire while you're still working same job. You see the funny thing? Same job you're doing, you're working, same money, salary or income you're making, I can help you out to become multi-millionaire with it. Just call 561-667-3118. 561-667-3118. 561-667-3118 for my family English speaker.
Call 561-667-3118. Again, call 561-667-3118.
Thank you. That will be the end of the show. Is there anything else you want to add? Or?
No, thank you everybody who stayed with us on this live. Just please call us for all of your legal, if you need a legal protection plan, please give us a call.
Not if it's not an option, you need it.
You need it.
You need it. If you don't have money, call me. I will train you again to self-discipline yourself to get money to pay for it again. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
I wish you have a wonderful day. May God bless you all. This is Joseph Herode Venant pour le compte de Joe Venant Group LLC.
And Keila B.
Okay. Bye now.